What is going on, everybody? Today we have the Cold Steel AD10 Lite version. I know a lot of you guys were really excited about getting this knife, so I figured why not? I'd get it. I'm not usually big into the light versions. I prefer G10 over the GRN, but either way, I figured why not get it and actually be able to compare it to the regular full-size full weighted version, if you will. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay, there's your left-handed pocket clip. Get rid of that. Okay. And there we go. AD10 Lite. Cold steel, made in Taiwan. And AUS-10A steel. Yeah, definitely lighter, that's for sure. Lock's a little stiff, but the deployment isn't too bad. Lock's just a little stiff. But yeah, you can left finger flick it. Yeah, it'll break in. So, very nice, very nice. It's definitely, I would say it's, I haven't actually used the other one for a while, but I would definitely say there's certainly a weight difference for sure. Let's see here. Got a lot of oil on it, but blade and the grind looks good. Got that nice little hollow grind there. And the front Tanto tip. So yeah, I would say it's definitely a very smooth surface. But yeah, it feels good in the hand, just like the other one. I love the Demko brothers when they make a knife. They really do a good job with everything they do. Their designs are super clean, and the scale is definitely got that going on. So overall, yeah, it's gonna break. I can already tell it's already kind of starting to break in. So very nice. I like it. The handle could be a little slippery compared to the G10. You get this thing wet, it's, could get slippery for sure. But other than that, feels good. Yeah, so either way, guys, if you like the lighter versions with the GRN handles, I would definitely say that this would be a very good knife to add to your collection. It's about $100 right now. I don't know. I still prefer, for $50 more, the G10 personally. But that's my personal opinion. I do like the lightness of it though. So, the thinner liners. Maybe put G10 scales on here. Might be a little bit better, but I don't know. Either way, that's up to you guys. So there you go. That is the new Cold Steel Demko AD10 Tanto. Catch you next time, guys. Have a great day. Bye.